Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you parts of speech in English. You know that parts of speech is really important in English language. That is, we can say that part of speech is the building blocks of the sentence, paragraph, or essay writing. In order to write well, in order to write grammatically correct, you have to know the functions of each word that you are combining in the sentences. So today you are going to learn all part of speech in English. So number one is noun. Yes. Number two, pronoun. Number three, verb. Number four, adjective. Number five, adverb. Number six, preposition. Number seven, conjunction. Number eight, interjection. So these 8 parts of speech will be in any sentence, any writings that you are reading or you are speaking. But sometimes you don't know which ones. What is the noun? What is pronoun? What is verb? What is adjective? What is adverb? What is preposition? What is conjunction? Interjection. Alright? Today you are going to learn all of these 8 with their definitions and some example that can be your guide to see or to understand and aware of them in any sentences. Okay, so before we go further to each of them definitions and example, would you mind to share this video and put your like button, comment below if you have anything to say, and subscribe to my channel, and you will get more English video, English lesson, and other educational video as well. So here we go. We start with the first part of speech is noun. Okay, so noun, the definition of the noun is a noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing, idea, and emotion. Yes. Again, a noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing, idea, and emotion. An example of a noun, you can find a lot of noun, of course. Like examples, you say Mrs. Dara. Yes, Dara. Mrs. Dara is the noun. Paris. Yes, Paris is a noun. Book, doctor, mountains, sports, car, religion, sphere, time, surprise, etc. Okay, so for name of any person, even say people, you say man, woman, all of these are noun. And animal like tiger, cat, dog, elephant are noun. Place like city, country, island, sea, beach, all noun. Okay, so here we go. We move to another one is pronoun. Number 2. What is a pronoun? So the definition of a pronoun is a pronoun is used in place of a specific noun mentioned earlier in a sentence, so that you don't have to keep saying or writing that particular noun. Again, a pronoun is used in place of a specific noun mentioned earlier in a sentence so that you don't have to keep saying, writing that particular noun. Example: I, he, him, her, it, she, them, they, us, we, you, or many other pronouns that you may find. And this is just some example that I bring to you, right? So pronouns refer to the word that you use to replace a noun that you just mentioned earlier. Okay, for example, I say the cat runs so fast. It is scared of the dog. Okay, so it here is a pronoun that replaces a cat. Yeah. Okay, now we move to number 3. Number 3, verb. Okay, what is a verb? The definition is a verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Okay, a verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Example: be, do, cut, clean, help, hear, run, sleep, and other more verbs. Yes. Okay, so we can say that a verb is a really important one, that any sentence needs a verb. If there's no verb, it's not called a sentence. You got it? It's very important. Very important. Okay, again, a verb is a word. A verb is a word used to describe an action, state, or option. Yes. Number 4. Number 4 is adjective. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. Yes. Again, an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. Describe or modify a noun. Example: big, small, beautiful, short, tall, silent. Okay, so all of these words are called adjective. We use it to describe or modify a noun. For example, you say a big car. So car is a noun and big is adjective. The big modifies car. Okay. Small eyes. So eyes is noun and small is adjective to modify it. Number 4. Now we go to number 5. What is number 5? Number 5 is adverb. So what is adverb? So adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. Yes. So again, an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. Example: angrily, anxiously, badly, boastfully, foolishly. So we can say that most of the verbs that end with ly are adverb, but not all adverb end with ly. Okay, some adverb end with doesn't end or don't end in ly. For example, fast. Fast is also adverb. Okay, and again, so adverb we use to describe a verb. Yes, describe a verb. For example, I run fast, or he shout angrily. Yes, and it also describes an adjective. For example, Let's say, what is the adjective? Badly cold, for example. Badly cold, so that means too cold. Yeah. Another adverb, right? Angrily fast, or yes, say barely beautifully, yes, or it can also even a whole sentence, yes, and describe a whole sentence. Now we move to another one, is number 6. Yes, number 6, preposition. Yes, so what is preposition? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Again, a preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Example: on, in, at, above, behind, between, before, below. Yes, and more preposition. Yeah. So, a preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, phrases to other words within a sentence. Number 7. Number 7 is conjunction. So, what is conjunction? Conjunction are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Again, conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Example: both and, whether or, after, although, as if, okay, for and nor, but, or yet, or so. We call friend boy. Yes. So conjunctions link other words, phrases, clauses together. We go to the last one, the last part of speeches. Actually, it's number 8. Number 8, interjection. So what is interjection? An interjection is a word or expression that occurs as an utterance on its own and expresses a spontaneous feeling or reaction. Yes. Again, an interjection is a word or expression that occurs as an utterance on its own and expresses a spontaneous feeling or reaction. Example: oops, oh, yahoo, shh, bravo, well, oh. Yes. So all of these are interjection that express, the word or expression that occurs as an utterance on its own and expresses spontaneous feeling or reaction. Okay, everyone. Now it comes to the end of this video, and hopefully you enjoy it and you learn from it. And don't forget to push the like button and subscribe for more English lesson, and share this video to your friend, and also comment what you think. See you in the next video. Bye bye.